Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to really quickly say that this video was streamed all the way back on November 6th, and this challenge is actually still ongoing. So if you want to check it out live, be sure to go follow my Twitch channel at twitch.tv/slurpinpuffs. I'm doing this challenge twice a week right now, every Tuesday and Friday. So yeah, go check it out. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna go for bomber powder. We don't have any range, but we do have Gumball Cookie as our bomber. And now we do have Cherry Cookie as well, who's just going to be better. Wait, Pancake. But I think it's kind of worth to just drop Pancake, keep Gumball, double bomber. Because Pancake, the attack speed is kind of nice, but his damage is lacking a lot, so I don't even think it's worth it. Oh heck yeah! Okay, we can finally get the Gentle Brave skin. We already know what the first one's gonna be. There it is, Gentle Brave Tuxedo. Alright, but for the second one, what are we gonna get? A common, maybe? Still could be a rare. Nope, a common. I'm fine with that. Most of our cookies are gonna have the common costumes anyways. Who could it be? Rookie Mistake Alquist cookie. Ooh. That could be cool, because she's gonna be actually pretty good for a run if we can get a hold of her. Alright, over to World Expo. See if we can get a few more gems, make a 10 pool. Whoop. Let's grab this first. Unless we get 500 gems right here. There's no way. Okay, we're making a 10 pool. Alright. Oh, wish us luck. Oh, let's do this. Get us Blackberry, hopefully. Here's the first rare. Carrot? Okay, I'll take the Soul Stone.
Day 1000 at this current camp.
Beat. Okay. That rule kind of sucked, but we got a new cookie in Beat Cookie, I guess. Probably not one we're gonna use, but we did get a new cookie. Alright, let's trudge onward. It's hard. Oh my god, 21k. There's no way. Ah, this is bad. Let's give it a shot. We're so below power. Okay, we got stunned. Okay, it's not bad so far. It's not actually that bad so far. You gotta wait for the worms, though. We need to heal Princess. Okay. Gumball's skill's actually kind of strong. I don't want to say that because I don't even know if it's true. It's kind of strong sometimes. It just misses really easy. Come on. Whack him away. Come on, Princess. Why is the branch has such high cooldown? Okay, we made it through. God, we need some damage resist on Princess though, if we want to keep using her. Ooh, speaking of. Okay, worms. Oh, Jesus, that damage. Easy. I'm so glad Cherry stuns as well. I'm sorry about the sort of choppiness of the stream. It's actually just the emulator being like that. I think my computer's a bit weak. Hopefully in the future I'll get to stream more console specifically. Switch games probably. Oh, jeez. So I won't have to deal with my running games on my laptop, because my laptop kind of sucks. Nice. Still not too bad. We're way below the power level, but we're making out actually pretty alright so far. Proof that the power doesn't matter. Easy, easy. Princess is looking a little low. Shield that. Oh, what? The shield didn't even come out? Oh god, we need heals. Waste of a bomb. Whoops. I was kind of panicked. Ouch! Heals, please. Oh, Princess is down. Princess is back up. Princess is down. Shoot, we're gonna get 2 stars. That sucks. Okay, we were actually so close. I'm just gonna redo this level. Princess is looking desperate at this point. But we're good. We are good. Okay. Come on, Custard. Come on, Custard. Come on. We're dying. Okay. Whew. That was close. I know we had Sugar Swan, but that was very close. Ugh, the boss. Okay. I'm glad we have 2 bombers for this. I guess let's just go for it and see. It's a coin level. So that does mean we get the healing at the end. I know I can upgrade some of those skills. And I've been neglecting that a bit. Can we shield this? Nope. Okay. I tried. Oh my god, we need to shield that. Princess goes down. Shoot, this is bad. This is not good. Carrot is down. And that was my fear. Yeah, I can upgrade some of the skills, but I can't level any of them up. I do have an idea, though. I'm not super sure if we're going to be able to make it past this with my idea, but we're going to try. Okay, so my idea here is to get rid of carrot for avocado. So we'll sort of have 2 defenses in the front. My idea is we can maybe do without a healing just because there's healing midway through the stage. If that doesn't work, I'll try it with just avocado and with carrot. We'll see how it goes. We've got all of our skills up. We just gotta use them wisely. And by wisely, I mean mash all of them apparently, because geez. Okay, we got rid of the lackeys. A little bit of extra damage. Gumball, you missed? Okay, we're good. We made it through. 3 stars, 3 stars. It was honestly a bit close, but we did it. Oh, hey, we have 3K. Okay. It's time for a pull. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're looking for Blackberry right now. I'd be fine with Alchemist. Okay, Rare's good. I think Blackberry's one of our best, though. Okay, here's a rare. What does this appear? Onion. Okay. I do like Onion. Not that good, but I do like her. So we might end up using her just for fun at some point. Please don't tell me she's our only rare, though. No way. Okay. We only got Onion. I was hoping for another rare, but oh well. Onion is adorable. I've actually been really wanting to try out using Onion in this challenge, so that's fun. Like, come on, she's just so cute. Yeah, honestly, all the epic costumes are very good. Some of the basic red and black epic costumes like are wait, I wanna look at them real quick. Like this one, great costume. This one amazing. Even this one is really good. And the fig cookie, even though fig cookie's not the best, I really like their costume. This one's good because the skill's really cool looking. This one's awesome, but this one, I don't know. For an epic to literally just like color swap red to purple or purple to red and not really anything else, not that cool. This one kind of does the same thing, but it's a little cooler at least. And this one has flames on her gun and like a Fire Nation symbol on her star. That's really cool. Great epic costume. Amazing epic costume. So this romantic sailor is so adorable. The commissioner costumes also amazing, and Blanco. For an epic, I think part of the problem is that you don't like Black Raisin that much. Okay, maybe I'm a bit biased to Black Raisin, but come on, this skin's not really that much change, and that's fine. But for an epic, same with this vampire. I feel like this vampire should be a rare. This one's pretty good though. But this dress should be an epic. Why isn't this an epic? This is so good. Wasted Cherry's skill, classic. We are dying. Can we get a shield? No, avocado. Avocado, please. Shoot. Well, this is awkward. Okay, let's just head back in. We could go to defense again. I don't know. I don't think it's that worth it. Let's just go again. Same team, same strategy. Okay, we're doing okay so far. Also, Peach? Is that a cookie from Oven Break? I've never played Oven Break. Uh-oh. This is bad. This is bad. What the heck? These laser birds. Oh, I should have popped my shield. I'm so silly. Ugh, I choked that. I should have popped the shield at those laser birds. That was a really bad play, yeah. Rip. Okay, if we get enough stamina from our fountain, I'll try that again. But if not, we'll just have to try again next time. Okay. Okay, team revised. We're putting you two in the front together. I'm going to use the shield. I will. I will not forget. I know exactly where those stupid laser birds are. Yeah, I think Bubblegum is doing crazy damage these days. Sorry, Bubblegum. Gumball. You know what I meant. Take off carrot does mean less heals for the team as a whole. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, we made it past. Will we choke it all away? Probably. Shoot, Princess can't do this. Aw, come on. It was so close. One day we'll... Ah. Rip. Dang, I thought we'd be stuck on a boss. I didn't expect us to be stuck on some random level like this. Okay. With our 8 stamina, we'll try one more time. Do you think carrot over custard for this, or no. The pros for custard, you get the shield. Shield kind of sucks, but you get the shield. You get better healing, but for only 2 cookies. The pros for carrot, you get the defense boost. You get heals for everybody. You do damage. The cons are sometimes you have to push forward to get it all. Can carrot heal fast enough? In like a really tight situation? Probably not. I'll just go in with custard. It's the safest play, or the safer play, I think. Okay, good. Yeah, see, this is why we need to pop the shield here. We can't live. And yeah, no. I think we need another level. Honestly, just look at the state of our team. The second to last sweep is so killer to us. I don't think so. Because the second to last wave is so strong. There's no way we make it through it without using the pomegranate branch. Okay, we'll just have to save it for next stream. We'll just have to get a kingdom level. Like, literally, I think that's it. I think we just need to get a level. But it's okay. We're actually pretty close to a level. And next stream, we'll get it for sure. Okay, but yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.
「じっと見て